Welcome to Fairfield by Marriott Goa Anjuna, a refreshing base if you want to explore the north of Goa. North Goa vibes, tropical surroundings, a stylish stay, and the perfect place to slow down and unwind. If this sounds like your kind of vacation, then you're going to love this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Isha Beyond Borders. Today we are at Fairfield by Marriott Goa Anjuna. And just from the first look, you can already tell this property is something special. Calm, elegant and very inviting. The moment you step inside, the property feels calm, refreshing and welcoming. Let's start with the room tour. As soon as you enter, the room feels premium, spacious and extremely comfortable. The interiors are clean and minimal with soothing colors that instantly make you feel relaxed. The bed is super cozy. After a perfect long beach day, there's enough space to unwind, relax or even work comfortably if you are on a workation. And this balcony is such a nice touch. It's perfect for your morning coffee or a peaceful sunset moment. Quiet, breezy and very calming. Now let's talk about one of the highlights of this property, the swimming pool. The pool area is calm, relaxing and perfect for unwinding. Whether you want to swim, lounge or just chill by the pool, this space gives proper vacation vibes. And yes, they also offer floating breakfast, which is such a fun and luxurious experience. Enjoying your breakfast inside the pool with the floating tray, surrounded by calm vibes, this is pure vacation goals. Definitely something you should not miss while staying here. The property has a beautiful restaurant called Kawa. It serves a mix of local and international cuisines and the setup is classy yet welcoming. Whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, the ambience here makes every meal feel special. The service here deserves a special mention. The staff is polite, professional and very attentive. Beautifully presented drinks that instantly set the vacation mood. The food spread is impressive with a wide variety of options, freshly prepared and well presented. And the desserts absolutely tempting and a perfect end to the meal. For fitness lovers, Fairfield by Marriott Goa Anjuna has also a fully equipped gym. So even while you're on a vacation, you don't have to skip your workout routine. Coming back to the poolside, the ambience here is peaceful and refreshing. Having snacks and drinks by the pool is definitely a big plus. Relax, eat, drink and enjoy the moment. That's what a Goa vacation is all about. This was the complete walkthrough of this beautiful property. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And now, let's move on to the next property. See you in the next video.